Hey guys, today I'm cleaning out the mountain house.
All right, so we've made it all the way to North Carolina, and Wyatt brought 2 of his robot vacuums here, and we're gonna clean the deck outside. You ready? Let's do it. And hopefully they don't fall over the edge. They have a little bit of snow to clean up.
Yeah, when snow. They don't bring down the stairs when they fall.
Yes. I don't think they're gonna fall.
Let's test this really. Good.
Nope.
Better.
Oh, here it goes.
Oh,
Oh, that was close.
oh.